Hello. In this video series, we perform stability analyses of slopes using limit equilibrium methods. I click the related button. In the window that appears, I click the plus button to add a slope model. I double-click the slope model to open the analysis screen. In this window, we enter the input data on the left side and perform the analysis on the right side. Before starting the analysis, we need to define closed areas. There are two different methods to define closed areas. We can define them interactively using the mouse, or by entering coordinates. First, let's use the interactive method. At the top left, there is a button to turn the grids on or off. I keep the grids on. I click the Grid Snap button. Now, I click the Create Interactive Area button. You can use the coordinate information displayed on the screen. I check the coordinates and click point 28, 0 to define the first point. Now, I move to point 28, 40 and define the second point. Next, I move to point 64, 40 and define the third point. Here, the y-coordinate is 40 meters. Now, I move 12 meters upward and define point 80, 52. I continue with point 124, 52. Then, I select point 124, 0 and return to the starting point. Finally, I right-click to complete the first closed area. To define a second area and represent another soil layer, I click Create Interactive Area again. I start approximately at point 70, 47. You can select points from inside or outside. After defining the first point, I click another point inside the closed area. Then, I right-click. Now, the second closed area is created. On the left side, we see Area 1 and Area 2 added to the list. No material is assigned yet. To assign materials, we select the areas and open their properties. From the list, I select Areas. I click the Selection button and double-click Area 1. From the list below, I select the material. I select the fill material. Now, I assign a color. I choose a color from the palette. If needed, we can modify the material properties using the Material Properties button. In this window, the parameters related to the analysis are filtered. These include unit weight under physical properties and shear strength parameters under mechanical properties. I click Apply. I select the fill material again and click Apply. As you can see, the fill material is assigned in the list. The color is also defined. Now, I switch to selection mode. I click the related button and double-click the second area. The Area Properties window opens. I keep the drainage condition as drained, as in the previous material. In this way, we perform the stability analysis using effective stresses. From the list, I select the clay material. Then, I assign a color. After selecting the color, I click Apply. Then, I right-click. In this way, we define the closed areas and assign their materials.